In this video, I am going to show you how to reset a D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender. So it's very simple. All you need to do, first of all, is just go and plug the DAP Wi-Fi extender into a wall outlet and wait until the status lid turns on. Then the extender must remain powered on during the reset. So after that, you would like to locate the small reset pinhole on the top of the extender, and you will need a paper clip or a SIM or SIM eject tool. So once you find it, just press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds and then release it when the status LED turns red. The extender will automatically reboot. So you'd like for you just wait for a reboot, wait about 30 seconds for the reboot to finish, and the extender has now been restored to its factory settings. So before reset, you'll find 3 lids opening. During the reset, you'll find just 2. And after the reset, you'll find one becoming red and the other will remain blue. So after that, you can, as an example, set up the extender again. So go and reconnect to the extender and open, as an example, your IP. If it isn't connected to a router, then follow the setup wizard to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network after a factory reset and to set this up again, basically. So you'd like to set it up again as you did the first time you set it or set the extender up. So if you just like didn't, or if the reset doesn't work for you, just make sure that the extender is powered on, because this extender only resets while it's powered on, and hold the reset button for about 10 full seconds or even 15. Just wait, keep holding it until the LED turns red, or if nothing happens, just make sure you're clicking correctly with the paper clip or SIM eject tool or any other small tool that you can put inside the pinhole. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.